Your heavenly messenger will report the appearance of somebody near you soon. Please don't ignore this. This video is a message from the heart of God to bless your life today. But before you continue, give it a like so that this video reaches more people. Subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive more messages like this. Be prepared. According to the Holy Messenger, this is about you. You are frequently getting hiccups because of somebody missing you awfully. They are holding back to meet you soon. This individual's name is scratched in your heart. They have left a profound effect in your heart and psyche. You grew up with their presence around you. They would constantly encourage you and make you giggle. They were once your number one individual. You never wished to head out in different directions from them. Following quite a while of being together, conditions forced them to move to an alternate city. They had to leave you in your old neighborhood and disappear with overwhelming sadness. You attempt to keep in contact with them, however, confidence had different plans. It was never workable for you to continually be in contact with them. It broke both of your souls. They are longing for yourself and wanting for your presence. They ponder you day in and day out. They wish to remember your snapshots of warmth and solace from an earlier time. Your hiccups are an indication of the Holy Messenger for you to in practically no time meet them. They will move toward you very soon, and you ought to make a move to plan and meet them at the earliest. You will accommodate with them and burst into boundless giggling with them around you. You both will feel overpowered by joy right now. The heavenly messenger arranged everything for you from the start. They will vow to remain with you always and never leave you any longer. They will move back to your old neighborhood, and afterward you can have them with you till days of yore. They will be the carrier of plentiful endowments, riches, great well-being, flourishing, and serenity. The equilibrium in your life will be re-established when they come around your home. They are your four-leaf clover. Everything you could ever hope for will transform into reality in their presence. Your heavenly messenger urges you to be near them for eternity. Embrace this individual in your life earnestly and witness the enchantment. Guarantee the progression of flourishing and lock your direction. Type Amen.